Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Travel Guru TV. Another episode here from reporting from Mahahual, Mexico, down on the coast of Riviera Maya. And today we checked into, actually we changed our room. We're in the Posada Pachamama, and we're in room number 9. So unfortunately, and I apologize for this, unfortunately I wasn't able to take a video before we moved in with all our luggage and all that stuff. So again, I apologize, but everything was nice and clean. I can promise you that everything here was looking good. So this is a room that's supposed to fit, I think, 6 people. I'm not sure exactly how that would work, but you can see there's a bunk bed. There's no railing at the top, so I guess that's Mexican style. If you fall out, it's your problem. But yeah, there's 4 of us, so this room should work very well. There's a safe, old school TV, Sky cable or satellite, mini fridge, which is great. And then we have the double bed, single bed, and the 2 single beds in the bunk bed. And then this is our tiny little balcony, and let me tell you, these railings are very low. So this balcony is very scary, especially if you had a few drinks, or if it's dark, or if you're just not paying attention. Very, very low. Okay, so this is the neighboring areas. There's some ocean view for you in the distance. And yeah, so this is Mahahual. So we're playing soccer. It's a sleepy beach village. That's basically all it is. And everything you can see over there is basically rainforest. Some crazy weather happening here. So yeah, so if you're considering staying at this hotel, we do recommend it. It's good value, and very good value, and yeah, service is good, everything's clean, and yeah, I mean it's really close to the beach. It's literally like a block, maybe not even a block, like half a block from the beach. So it's a great location, and yeah, good value, good service, everyone's friendly. Here's a bathroom, by the way. Shower. Now, as you can tell, everything's in good condition, everything's clean. Yeah, the balconies are scary here. Also, when you walk downstairs, the stairway is a little scary as far as the low railings, but this is Mexico after all. And yeah. So we definitely recommend this place for this sleepy little beach village. There's not many options. There's no big Marriotts, there's no Hiltons, there's no Hyatts. But we like that. There's no McDonald's, there's no fast food. So we really like it here, and this is a good choice. I think it's 900, just over 900 pesos per night. Maybe this room is a little bit more, and then they charge, I think, 3% extra if you pay by credit card. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And have a great day. Adios, amigos.